The marginalization of Akoko Edo na sake of the selfish desires of leaders wey no mean well for the majority of the people, but I go use my position as the Deputy Governor to unite our people for the good of the majority. Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo talk this one when he hosts the members of staff of Edo State House of Assembly wey be indigenes of Akoko Edo for im office for Osadebe Avenue. Oga Omobayo come talk say in elevation to the exalted office of the number 2 citizen na new dawn for the people of Akoko Edo, and say in counsel to im people na say make them play good and developmental politics. He constantly talk say
God deliberately gave us this one so that we can recalibrate ourselves. So I will try my best to unite our people so that for the common good of our people. What is good for one is good for the other. You cannot take the collective good of the people and you put it just in one place. I also, for example, represent Edo State just now. What is Akoko Edo State? And I know that we have 3 senatorial areas. I will also not take it because our people are marginalized. I will just, if I have a 10 slot, I'll put all of them in Akoko Edo. Once I do that, it means I am also a part of the problem. So until we are able to correct them, small, little by little, we will not get to our desired. It is true that we have been marginalized, but bulk of this marginalization, our people also caused them because of their inordinate or selfish desire. In Minuboke and 100 people, one person want to take it. And so there must be problem. So I'm happy that we are beginning to redefine ourselves. What this appointment brings just now is it is spiritual. It's an act of God. I'm not sure the governor. What happened, it is only God that can explain it. It is beyond our explanation.
Leader of the group, Benedict Ogaigbe, contrary salute to the Deputy Governor for the quick response of the state government to reduce the suffering of the victims of the devastating windstorm wey affect Lakpese and the neighboring communities. In Costi talk say,
in this current administration, we have benefited a lot. For Chief of Staff, Chief Press Secretary, the Speaker, and now His Excellency, the Deputy Governor. I want to tell you, sir, count on us anytime.
Yes, we are there.
We're ready to work with you. We're ready to support you.
Yeah.
Anytime you need us, just put a call and for us. We'll be ready to be with you. In dark and in day, no matter how the situation look like, because you are making us proud. Let me quickly say that, sir, within a short time, you responded to Lakpese people without even following through protocol. The ugly event took place on Friday. On Saturday, relief material arrived.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisele, TMC TV News.